and we are loud, and we are different, and we go against the grain of a typical company.
Yeah, I mean, Look Local First Classic was put together for the first time ever last year. This year we're hosting our second Look Local First Classic, which is a golf, tournament, bringing people that support small business owners together with the small business owners themselves. So the very people that risked it all are going to be met with the very people that back them up and are rooting for their success, for them starting a small business, right? So. Several years back, a lot of people were playing golf, etc., within our organization, and then I got into it. And what I noticed when I got into it was it actually brings a lot of people together, laughing, high-fiving, competitiveness, camaraderie, getting to know each other, right? And I think that's exactly what we're trying to accomplish. Is we're trying to bring the very people that are supporting small business owners. Maybe they have family, friends, maybe. They used to be a small business owner themselves, so they know how hard it is, together with the small business owners that are currently active and that are either just started or established, that have went through, the ups and downs of actually starting a business. And when you bring those two together, I think you get a kind of like a July 4th fireworks, right? So, because a lot of people are very excited, to see the small guy win.